Okay, so here's the video of how to use this strap. So once you have these two loops around your ears, you're going to take this strap and adjust it and secure it in order to have it right behind your ear. So this part will be around your ear, this part will be behind your ear, and it goes around your head, okay, all the way to the other side where you loop this around behind your ear and then secure it. So this way, there's no complaints about the straps, the loops falling off their ears because the mask is heavy or whatever. This is what the strap is for, okay? A lot of people, they don't open the entire thing. They just use the mask as is. They forget that there's another layer in here with the instructions, with the mask, extra interchangeable front mask, charger, and the dust bag.